Hi traders, welcome back for another video about Cardano. Today Cardano make nice recover and go up. Why, and should buy or sell Cardano? Before dive into this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications to be updated and see all analysis and news for the most crypto in the best place for exchange. Cardano price analysis is favoring the bullish side today, as more buying activity has been observed during the last 24 hours. The price has increased to the level of $0.512, consequently as the bulls regained their strength after the strong correction noted yesterday. The bulls are still reigning the price function after a momentary gap as the bears were attempting to make a comeback. On the other hand, the price has decreased in the last 4 hours, yet the general trend observed has been largely bullish for today. The one-day Cardano price analysis is showing a bullish trend as the price has undergone improvement during the day. The price has recovered to the $0.512 level, as bulls rolled at the start of the day. Although there have been bearish sequences as well during the last week, the bears have still been able to maintain their lead. The moving average value is still at a higher position, $0.533, because of the previous bearish trend. The volatility has been high during the day, which could be taken as a positive indication for the future. The Bollinger bands, on the other hand, are showing their upper band at the $0.906 position, representing the resistance, and the lower band at the $0.403 position, representing the support. The relative strength index score has slightly increased to index 34 as well. The 4 hours Cardano price analysis is showing signs of bearish activity as the price has followed a downward trend for the last 8 hours. However, the price is still above yesterday's price cap, as it has increased up to $0.512. Although the day has been in the favor of the bears, for the most part, the bulls have succeeded in saving the price momentarily. The moving average value is still trading above the current price at $0.531 because of the drop in price earlier, whereas the Bollinger Band's average is trading at the $0.550 position at the same time. The volatility has increased during the last 4 hours, which is why the upper Bollinger Band is now present at the $0.597 point, whereas the lower band is settled at $0.503. The RSI has been hovering at index 39, as bears also lack momentum but have stopped the bullish progress. Cardano price today is $0.538, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.36 billion, market cap of $16.94 billion, and market dominance of 1.26%. The ADA price increased 8.52% in the last 24 hours. Cardano reached its highest price on September 2, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.10. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.395, cycle low. The highest ADA price since the last cycle low was $0.609 cycle high. The Cardano price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. Cardano's current circulating supply is 31.46 BADA, out of max supply of 45.00 BADA. In terms of market cap, Cardano is currently ranked 2 in the proof-of-stake coin sector. Cardano price is preparing for a retest of 40 cents before a massive counter-trend rally occurs. Cardano price is on professional traders' urgent watch list as the digital asset could enter a midterm bottom in the 45 cents zone before rallying upwards towards 60 cents. ADA price, like several cryptos, has been in a steep bear rally, which demands the need for balance and proportion. Cardano price provides bearish confluence, using the relative strength index, as several bearish divergences and negative reversal signals are taking place. Traders should expect a fall to 45 cents, and possibly 40 cents, but should be careful of asking for any more. A sharp rally will occur after the final bearish impulse wave is established if the technicals are correct. Cardano price may be at risk of further downside pressure due to decreased participation. While massive inflows of buyers and sellers occur between May 9th and May 13th, the volume has dropped significantly since then. Looking at the current pattern developing on the daily Ikimoku chart, it's not hard to see why. Two important chart patterns were developing on the daily chart. The first is a symmetrical triangle. As with any triangle pattern, one of the common behaviors that analysts and traders should expect is a drop in volume the closer price gets to the apex of the triangle. The second pattern is a candlestick pattern, known as a bullish squeeze alert. The bullish squeeze alert pattern is a 3-bar pattern, with the second candlestick as an inside bar of the first candlestick, and the third candlestick as an inside bar of the second candlestick. The primary rule is that the first candlestick of the pattern must be a down day. This pattern, however, was busted in the early AM session, likely creating some trapped bulls anticipating further daily consolidation. Downside risks remain a major concern. Cardano price remains overwhelmingly bearish within the Ichimoku-Kinko-Hyo system. If there is a daily close that returns ADA below the Tenkan-sen, then the move for bears is to push Cardano price to the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement at 42 cents. The price of Cardano in the ICO was $0.0024, and the token sale ended on January 1, 2017. Since then, ADA price increased to 24.34x against US dollar, decreased 0.92x against Ethereum, and increased 7.08x against Bitcoin. Cardano price in US dollar has decreased by -42.59% in the last 1 month. ADA is down -13.71% against Ethereum, and down -22.68% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. According to our current Cardano price prediction, the value of Cardano will rise by 4.09% and reach $0.560 by May 24, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. Cardano recorded 38% green days with price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Cardano forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Cardano. Comparing Cardano against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Cardano price could head over the long term. The following table shows what the Cardano price would be if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $0.523, Cardano has support levels of $0.502, $0.473, and the strongest at $0.452. Similarly, Cardano resistance levels are at $0.553, $0.573, and $0.603. Cardano price is positively correlated with the top 10 coins by market cap with a value of 0.537, excluding Tether USDT, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap excluding all stablecoins with a value of 0.470. Currencies that are positively correlated with Cardano indicate that the movement of one has a statistically significant weight to lead the other in the same direction. For currencies that are negatively correlated with Cardano, a move in one direction for Cardano would translate into a move in the opposite direction for the negatively correlated coin. Cardano tanked its value again as the period of turmoil continues well into May. ADA dropped to a new low on May 19 when it declined by around 10% to $0.507. At the height of the Terra debacle, Cardano suffered along with the rest of the crypto market. On May 12, Cardano crashed to 47 cents, which is the lowest it has been since February 2. The recovery has not gone very well ever since, despite the confirmation of the Basel hard fork. The hard fork, as founder Charles Hoskinson confirmed, will vastly improve the network's performance. According to a Crypto Compare report, the number of addresses holding ADA grew 2.99% last month to 5.2 million, partly thanks to an increase in the number of token holders from 529,000 in March to 679,000 in April, and to a rise in the number of cruisers from 3.84 million to 4.14 million.